Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start with 2 ready images and quick access to wallpaper settings. Open Settings and tap Wallpaper, or long press the lock screen to enter Edit mode. This saves time. Once in the Wallpaper selector, tap Add New or choose a new wallpaper. Select your lock screen image first and set any crop, depth, or perspective options. Make sure Photos Permission is allowed so the app can load the picture. Doing this first avoids resets later and keeps edits isolated to each screen. Once your lock screen looks right, tap Set and explicitly choose Set Lock Screen Only. This is crucial because a single confirmation can apply to both otherwise. After locking that choice in, go back to the wallpaper picker to choose the home screen image. Adjust blur, brightness, or perspective for the home screen separately so icons remain legible. Make sure you tap Set and then choose Set Home Screen Only. This sequential approach ensures each screen keeps its chosen photo without accidental replacement. Finish by locking and unlocking the device to verify the lock screen and home screen show different photos. If you find the home screen replaced the lock screen, don't panic. Repeat the sequence and be careful to tap Set Lock Screen Only, then Set Home Screen Only. If settings won't save, restart the device and try again. Also check for a pending OS update or low storage that can interfere. Once confirmed, your screens are independent and ready. Simple. Deliberate steps prevent accidental overwrites.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.